Eat him up. You know what time it is. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I just want to actually react. I just want to react, family, to what IMR is sending out to the reactors them, recently, because Aaron Dante is in town. His business partner is in town. The Mwango business partner is in town. And as you know, guys, actually, we and them actually, Jam Tours and them actually in court. That Jam Tours and the sister is actually in court at the moment, family, about the apartment. And we're not seeing anything from them, like anything from the Mwango, no videos. And family, and we really want to actually find out what is happening. What is happening, family? I don't know what is happening, but we see a news report from Aaron Dante. He's actually in the country, and I just want to ask him one question, family. This is just one question I need to ask. I just need to know. I just need to know if Aaron Dante is up in my apartment using my TV, using my fridge, using my stove, using my washing machine, using my microwave, using my settee, all of these things, family, my table, all my bed, sleeping on my bed. I just want to know this. I really just want to know what is happening, and I can't wait for them to do a video. Why Aaron Dante is hiding. Aaron Dante, come out and show us where you're staying in Kenya. That's what we want to do. Come out and show us where you're staying in Kenya, and make sure it's not in Jam Tour's apartment. Make sure it's not in my apartment where I buy all of those stuff. Make sure it's not that where you're staying, because when I actually come to you and ask you about the matter, you actually tell me that I should take them to court. That's what you tell me. If you have an issue with them, take them to court, and I did just that. So Aaron Dante, if you can remember, I'm going to post the IG message here that I was actually talking to Aaron Dante, and that's what he told me to do, to actually take them to court, family. So, that's what I did. I take them to court. They still ignore. I actually expect that this thing would actually, finish already. It wouldn't have to go out to default judgment. And it seems like default judgment maybe take a while or something. I don't know. I'll have to contact my lawyer. But I'm not really saying anything right now. I'm just waiting for them to come back into the country. To see what else I will do, family. Because this thing cannot go like that. Mara was there. David Jr. was there. Everybody was there. And they know that I am the one who paid for everything in that apartment. I and Mara come out. Is the first one to come out and say, oh, it's my sister, she gonna turn in Airbnb, and the sister don't have an Airbnb account. All of the few little guests that we get there since before I get a full-time tenant in that apartment, all of the money comes in my account, family, my Airbnb account. I might have to just post it here so you guys can see for yourself, and not just take this thing for a joke. You know what I mean? Not just take the thing for a joke, family. But I see him actually sending out emails to people that he want to debate and stuff, do debate with reactors and stuff. And, I asked those reactors to actually reply to his email. Replies to his email and set up that debate. Now he's coming out, he's going ballistic. Because, these reactors are now Kenyan reactors. And they're questioning everything they're doing on the internet. Because what they did the last time, first, it was the Philippine thing that go through Aaron Dante. Second, it was the Afro-Indians money that go through Aaron Dante. And, the kids, them actually don't actually, benefit from it. And the old woman that they do the house for in the Philippines, there's unfinished things that the lady don't get, and other YouTubers have to go and help out, family. So there's a lot of corner in, and now it's Jam Tours business that the sister deal with. And as you know, guys, you know what it is. That they never treat Jam Tour fairly. They actually scam me out of that apartment, family. And I tell you, when these guys get back in Kenya, I'll be making like 5 videos every day. Every day I'll be making like 5 videos about the situation, dropping receipt and dropping evidence about the situation, family, because that's the only way I can actually get justice in this situation right now, because it's taking a while and stuff. and they're not coming. If they was coming to court, trust me, this thing would resolve long time. I will know what is what and what is what, family. But they're not coming, they're hiding, and you know what I mean. So I just have to take it this way, family. And I don't want no one to come and tell me, oh, I should stop make videos, because when I make these videos, they get a lot of views and people are watching, and people need this information that when they come to Africa, they don't get scammed by these people. So I have to make this video to educate people, so when they come, they can actually, you know what I mean, they don't have to they don't get scammed out of their hard-earned money trying to come back to Africa and trying to live here. And in the process of doing that, you see these YouTubers online showing their fake life, and you feel like they're making it and they actually mean you any good. You know what I mean? They mean you no good, family. They mean you no good. And if I am Mara can behaving like that now, just because Aaron Dante is in the town and they want to use him for charity to collect GoFundMe money, and you know what I mean, even the house that they built for Mama Han and stuff, the little people them still they're struggling. They cipher half of the money and do what they need to do, family. So this is what they need now. They need to use in this GoFundMe money or whatever money they want to collect from donation to maybe build their business in the village. And that's exactly what they want to do, family. Aaron Dante come out and say he has a room in Mara apartment and all of these things. These people, you know, they just talk, and that's, you have to understand, bird of a feather flocks together. Because if Mara can come out and say the sisters are Airbnb, we know for sure the sister don't have no Airbnb, the sister can actually use the lease agreement clause. Just because I was in the country, family, and I never like put my name on the lease because I was in the country, and it actually, you know what I mean, it's just miss. I even asked her a couple times about it, and it's just because you know what I mean. And that's what happened, family. When I leave the country, they use that one class to take over my apartment. So, you know what I mean? So, family, you know, it's just, I just want to just make this video, guys, so you guys can understand what you're dealing with. When you see these people online, be careful and don't send the money to them, because they're all about, you know what I mean, using people for their gain, family. They're using people for gain, and then they come back and say, oh, them is a millionaire, or they're making more money than the president, and a lot of things. These people use people, and then they come back and act like they're better than the same people who donate to them. You see? This is what they do, family. So, guys, so, you know, if I am Mara watching this right now, family, if you, Mara, I know you're watching this right now, and the best thing to do is try and redeem yourself. You know, redeem yourself and come out and have this debate and actually talk about everything that these people are saying about you. Talk about it. I will be on that debate, and I want to actually talk to you about, you know, about things that is happening, and what, you know, what you take on everything that is happening, and what you plan to do. And you cannot keep silent. This is the only way maybe for you to redeem yourself, and people start put back their trust in you. And anything that you're planning to do in Kenya and stuff, it's gonna fail, because people is on your neck right now with whatever you're doing, because you messed up. Many times you messed up. You messed up with the Afro-Indians, then you messed up with Mama and house, you messed up with Jam Tours things, and your sister messed up the same way. And you guys are just looking for ways to actually, you know what I mean, to actually milk your subscribers up with donation. And Aaron Dante is the one that is actually is the one you're using, you guys will be using to do all of this. You know what I mean? So, Aaron Dante, I know you're watching this right now, and you need to show us where you're staying in Kenya right now, so we can approve and stamp you to see if you get a pass. Because I don't know. I really want to know if you're actually in my apartment using my appliances. I really want to know if that's what you really come in Kenya to do. Why can't we see no video of you in Kenya? Why is just that I see a pop-up video for you that you're in the country, and now we don't see no other video, you know, about you. Normally when you go to countries, you now make videos and say you're in this country, what you're about to do and stuff. And we not see nothing from you. And we not see no videos from D-Mongo. Last time D-Mongo actually going in Nairobi, she make a video from the balcony, and when the reactors then pick it up, you know what I mean, she dodge and hide no more. She start make video in the streets. So, you know what I mean, these are the things that we need to know on YouTube right now. What is happening? Why are we not hearing from you? Why are we not seeing no videos? Are you guys waiting until Mara come? You know what I mean? You guys waiting until Mara come now to do all of this, and we actually just waiting too. We're waiting, because I'll be start doing 5 videos a day, family. Every day I'll be making 5 videos with my personal videos until it's this issue resolved. That's when I will remove all of those videos, because I don't even want, you know, the only reason I'm doing this, that's the only way I can get my voice out. But once this problem resolved through the court, or willfully or forcefully or lawfully, I'll remove all of those videos, family. I don't even want those things on my channel. You know what I mean? Because my channel is all about family, black love, coming back to Africa and all of these things. And I just, you know what I mean, I just in a situation right now, and this is the only way out for me is to talk about it. So people, if I wasn't talking about it right now, all of these things that they be doing, you know what I mean, they will be doing it. You know what I mean? So you can't just do somebody bad like that and expect it to just go away. You know, it will forever be alive. And all of these reactors is reacting every day. And every day Jam Tours is coming up. Every day there's something new. Every day there's a new receipt and a new evidence. So Mara, do the right thing. Come out and tell your sister to refund Jam Tours money and move on. You know, that's the only way you guys are gonna have peace in this and this YouTube streets. That's the only way you guys can redeem back yourself on the YouTube street. So this is Anke Roo from Jam Tours Africa. One love, job bless, I'm out.